Hi guys, this is Anil from Young Tinker Academy. So today's videos is something very special because we'll be talking about how we are manufacturing our kits here in Odisha. This is a long-awaited dream of mine because we talk about Make in India, Make in Odisha, and at the same time people say how is this possible and how it can be done. So today I'll be showing how we are manufacturing a lot of kits plus the workbench and transporting it across. So today we'll have a glance on how it's done here in Odisha. So this is where we are now currently assembling the workbenches. So you can see wonderful girls from institutes here in Odisha have been appointed, and then they are working with us here. So you can see how they are manufacturing the entire thing. So Vaishali is also with us, who is guiding and mentoring, and this is how we manufacture here. So the entire video we have attached it with this, and you can watch it there.